What if I told you, you could get 4K footage, 30-minute flight times, and obstacle avoidance, for under $200 in 2025? Helicopter after crashing 12 cheap drones, so you don't have to. We found 5 hidden gems that fly like premium models. Stick around, the number 1 drone at $350 has a feature even DJI drones don't offer. All purchase links below. Number 1. Holy Stone HS710 drones. The top rank of camera drones for adults. The UHD 4K camera captures your wonderful moments with incredible details. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens and remote-controlled 90-degree adjustable structure broaden your view, and the 5 GHz FPV technology guarantees longer and smooth image transmission. Intelligent Flight features GPS drones for adults, multiple GPS functions such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest enable the drone to fly automatically and free your hands. The whole family can enjoy the creative fun of flight together. Easy to fly altitude hold makes the drone hover in the air without throttle control. Smart return to home and emergency stop free your minds of losing the drone. One key takeoff/landing help get the hang of it quickly and easily. A perfect drone for beginners. Number 2. DJI Mini 4K drone. DJI Mini 4K has a stable flight even in level 5 winds. Brushless motors enhance power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. 10 km max HD video transmission up to 10 km, 32,800 feet, 2, of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to freely explore vast landscapes and see clearer. Due to platform compatibility issue, the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play. To ensure a better product usage experience, please log into the DJI official website to download the latest version of DJI Fly. Uninterrupted creation with extended battery life. There are 3 sets available for you to choose from: 1 battery set, 31 minutes, 2 battery set, 62 minutes, or 3 battery set, 93 minutes. 3. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and let nothing hold you back. Number 3. Ruko F11 Mini Drone. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligent flight batteries. Long battery life is ideal for professional photographers or hobbyists. Intelligent GPS flight using GPS features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest can enhance the flying experience. If the drone's battery is low, the signal is weak, or press the one-tap return button, the drone will auto-return home. EASYTO Fly for beginners. Beginner-friendly with a camera cover to protect it from damage. One-tap takeoff/landing and emergency landing functions with a responsive 2-way rechargeable controller for smooth flying. Number 4. Patensic Atoms SE GPS Drone. Atom SE drone weighs, and the fold-up design packs up small enough to fit in a jacket pocket. Built-in makes the drone and fly stably. The drone is equipped with a slash. It can shoot photos and at HD video. The exclusive Shake Vanish tech helps to take more stable and smoother images within 118 degrees FOV and a vertical plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees camera. Search Fly flight control system provides in 3 flight modes, allowing you to challenge your skills as you become an advanced pilot with flexible and easy flight control experience. In sport mode, the max speed can be up to 16 meters per second in 2.8 s. Number 5. Holy Stone GPS Drone. 4K camera with 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable provides a high-resolution picture, enabled to capture a perfect shot. 5 GHz FPV transmission delivers a smooth and stable videos even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. GPS Auto Return. GPS-assisted flight, it can perform automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or low power, never have to worry about flying it away. Better flight experience, 2 batteries give you up to 46 minutes flight experience. And functions like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, 1 key takeoff/landing and speed adjust make it so easy to beginners or newbies. So, which of these drones are you grabbing? Drop a comment. We read them all. Sparkles, if this video saved you hundreds, help us out. Like this video. Share with a friend who needs a drone. Subscribe for more insane budget tech finds. Pushpin, all links are in the description. Prices won't stay this low forever.